Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. And first of all, sorry for my attire. I'm very lazy about to dressing myself for video. I thought that I should make this video on my night suit also because it's not that much bad, right? It's so cute. And so and maybe you guys already see my thumbnail as it's a opening video of Recode, and I just received this parcel yesterday and I'm like crazy about to open it, and I didn't open because I want to make a video of this product. And here the parcel. First of all, I want to say that I didn't like their packaging. It's, it's not that much good. Anyway, so I just opened and it's too tough to open this parcel. See the sellotape in everywhere. So I just opened it because without this scissor, I can't open. It's too tough. Maybe you guys saw their sale. It's 1st April from 10th April, and I just purchased some things because in upcoming month I have my makeup work, so I need this product to doing my waterproof makeup. So that's why I ordered. See, it's too tough to open. So this is that's why I really don't like their packaging. How can I open it? With the help of Caesar, it's also not. I'm not able to open this parcel. Oh God, it's too tough. It's too tough. Sometime to open it, I'm very much angry. But let's open. See, the packaging is very bad packaging. Just give me some time to open. Okay. Just give me some time. Oh my God. Lots of products. Finally, I opened it and finally I opened it. And my first product is this one. It's a perfect grip water primer. Also I can open it. Yeah, this is the product. Okay. This is the very small product, and with that, it's also they can this scent, and it's for all skin type. And then my second product is this. It's very famous product. It's also the perfect grip spray from Recode. I just ordered this for my work, and this is maybe this sent as a gift. I don't know what is this. And yeah, this is my third product. Yeah. This packaging is really good. And this is the primer. Yeah. This is the mattifying primer. I also ordered some months ago for me it's also. And I thought that it's on sale, so I can brought it for another one. Yeah, this is the product. And this is the fourth product. Yeah, this is the fourth product. It's Recode Okay, everyday makeup Kajal, black color. This is the Kajal. And I ordered just this four products, and maybe I pay 1200 rupees, and with that I received some products as a gift. Like, first one is this chocolate, and the second one is the pen, and this one is also, I really don't know what is this. I just opened it. Oh my god, it's lipstick. And it's like my favorite color. Wow, that's very nice and impressive. And also some this things. I got it. So yeah, this is the product, and also I'm very much sweating because I don't have AC. So, and for making this video I just turned off my fan, so that's why. And because it's summer season, so yeah, this is the like opening video of Recode. And also like I can share the purchase links on my description box. And thank you so much guys for watching my video, and if you like my video, please share with your family, friends, and with everyone. So till then, take care, bye.